Okay, Donna, you say the answers that are
7/6 and -5/7.
then. What do you think? These two only? What about the others? The next one,
Miss
0.
zero.
Zero is a whole number.
Zero.
0, that is not a rational.
Whole number.
No, Miss.
Hmm? 0 is not a rational.
It's a rational number.
Zero is a rational
Yes,
number.
0 is also a rational number. This 0, that is also a rational number. Then these two are not rationals. What's the reason?
P by Q where Q is not
Denominator
equal to
zero.
zero. Zero.
Denominator zero. Denominator zero.
Division by 0, that is not possible. That means here the two numbers are not rationals. Okay, division by 0 is not possible. That is not defined. So divided by 0, p, that is not of the form p by q. P by, if the number is of the form p by q, then only that are rational numbers. So 7/6 minus 5/7 and 0. These three are rationals. Okay. So next question, second one. Find the reciprocal of these rational numbers. Find the reciprocal of these rational numbers.
Miss answer മാത്രമല്ലേ
Yes. Okay. First one, -11/5, 0, and 5/-7.
Miss, question one more time.
No, no. Then can you say the question on board?
Miss, question can see.
Okay. What are the reciprocal of these numbers?
That asked.
Yeah, the reciprocal of these numbers. Basil, Cherian, can you say the answers? Basil. Basil, Cherian. Not there? Then Albert Xavier.
Yes, Miss.
What is the reciprocal of these numbers?
-5/11,
Hmm.
0,
What is the reciprocal of 0?
1/0,
1/0. Is it possible?
0/1.
0/1. Actually, 0 we can written as 0/1. Reciprocal is 1/0. Is it possible? 1/0 undo?
Illa.
So there is no reciprocal for 0. 0 ki reciprocal illa. We can't write the reciprocal of 0. That is not defined. നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതേണ്ടത് reciprocal of 0 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ not defined, because 0 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ we can written as 0/1, but 0/5, 0/100, these all are equal to 0. But the reciprocal means divided by 0. That is not possible. So not defined. Answer of reciprocal of 0 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ that is not defined. The next one, 5/-7.
7/-5.
Okay, 7/5.
-5.
എന്ന് എഴുതണമെന്നില്ല. -7/5 എന്ന് എഴുതിയാലും നോർമലി ദ നെഗറ്റീവ് സിമ്പിൾ വി ക്യാൻ ഗിവൺ ഇൻ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ, ഏത് ഒരു ഇവിടെ 5/-7 എന്നുള്ളതിനെ നമുക്ക് ഈക്വൽ ടു -5/7 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഫോം. ഈ നെഗറ്റീവ് സിമ്പിൾ എടുത്ത് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലോട്ട് കൊടുക്കാം. ഇനി ഇതിന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുക്കുമ്പം നിങ്ങൾ ഈ നമ്പറിന്റെ മാത്രം റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുത്താൽ മതി. സൈൻ അവിടെ തന്നെ വെക്കണം, നെഗറ്റീവ് തന്നെ വെക്കണം. എന്നിട്ട് 5/7 റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 7/5. സോ -7/5. ഇനി റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഫോമിലോട്ട് മാറ്റി എഴുതണം. സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഫോം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എവറി ടൈം ദ നെഗറ്റീവ് വിൽ ബി ഓൺ ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ. ഈ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലുള്ള നെഗറ്റീവിനെ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലോട്ട് മാറ്റിയിടാം. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
So
Yes,
next
ma'am.
question. Right.
നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലേക്കൊക്കെ എഴുതണോ?
Then അല്ലാതെ നിങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യണത്? In mind you can do all this calculation. It is the test
Yes, ma'am.
paper. So give test paper number, next test paper number and question വേണ്ടിയവർക്ക് ഞാൻ പറയുന്ന സമയത്തിൽ question എഴുതിയെടുക്കാം, or otherwise the answers only. Next one. Write two rational numbers whose multiplicative inverse is same as that numbers. Write two rational numbers whose multiplicative inverse is same as that number. Right. You listen the question and write the answer only. Write two rational numbers whose multiplicative inverse is same as that numbers. Write two rational numbers whose multiplicative inverse is same as that numbers. John PJB, can you say the answer?
Miss 1, -1.
Yes, 1 and -1. Because 1 എഴുതിയാൽ 1ന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1/1 ദാറ്റ് 1 തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. -1 എഴുതിയാൽ -1ന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ -1/1 ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾസോ -1. അപ്പൊ ഈ തന്ന നമ്പർ തന്നെയാണ് അതിന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ. ഇവിടെയും -1ന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ -1 തന്നെയാണ്. സോ ദ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആർ 1 and -1. ദാറ്റ് ടു നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഓൺലി. അല്ലേ? ഈ രണ്ട് നമ്പർ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ അങ്ങനെ വരുന്നത്. നമ്പറും റെസിപ്രോക്കലും സെയിം ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നത് ഓൺലി ഫോർ ദീസ് ടു നമ്പേഴ്സ്, 1 and -1. Okay. Now here I will write one statement. You listen.
Miss, that is second question, 5/-7. That is reciprocal is -7/5.
Yes. Then next one, 2/3 plus 1/3. That is equal to 1/3 plus 2/3. Okay. Then which property is using here? What is the property in this equation?
Commutative property.
Yes, commutative property. That is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay, you can write commutative property and a plus b equal to b plus a. That property we are using. Then next one. What is multiplicative identity of rational numbers? What is multiplicative identity of rational numbers? Multiplicative identity of rational numbers. Okay, wait, I will call there only. Joel, what is multiplicative identity of rational numbers? Joel. No answer. Johan?
Miss,
What is multiplicative identity?
Miss,
Yes.
ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ അമ്മയുടെ അക്കൗണ്ടിൽ നിന്ന് കയറിക്കോട്ടെ.
Okay. Okay. One is multiplicative identity of rational numbers. Yes, that is correct. Because if we multiply with the 1, our answer is the same. Any rational number multiply with the 1, that will be the same rational number. So 1 is multiplicative identity. Then what is additive identity of rational numbers? What is additive identity of rational numbers? What is additive identity of rational numbers? Adidev? Additive identity of rational numbers. Adidev. No answer. Maria Eldos
Miss, there are two Maria Eldos.
from 8B. Hmm.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
0.
0. 0 is additive identity of rational numbers, because if we add 0 with any rational number, answer is same. So 0 is known as additive identity. Now next question. Then you listen the question. If A is equal to 1 by 2 and B is 3 by 4, verify A plus B is equal to B plus A and A into B is B into A. Verify these two.
Please question one more time.
Here I am writing the question. If A is equal to 1 by 2 and B is equal to 3 by 4, verify A plus B is equal to B plus A and A into B is equal to B into A. Okay. Sorry. Then Sean, is he absent today? Sean and Darshana from 8A, absent. Ano? Then from 8B, all are present. Did you complete these two answers? Did you get A plus
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
A plus B and B plus A same?
Yes,
And A
Miss.
into B and B into A,
Yes, Miss.
that is same.
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay.
Miss.
For these type of questions, first you find LHS. You should verify this way. Then for the first one, LHS, that is A plus B. This way you write. A plus B is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Here LCM is 4. So we multiply here with the 2. That is 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That is equal to 5 by 4. So the answer of LHS is 5 by 4. The same way we can do from RHS. So you write RHS is equal to B plus A. That is 3 by 4 plus
3 by 4 plus 2 by
1
4.
by 1 by 2. That is 3 by 4 plus ഇവിടെ അതുപോലെ നമ്മൾ 2 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തു. So that is 2 by 4. 2 by 4. That is also 5 by 4. So we can see LHS equal to RHS. Okay, this way you verify the answer. Now, in case of multiplication, A into B and B into A, there also you do the same way. There you can take A into B. Left side you take first. So there LHS is equal to A into B. A into B, that is 1 by
1 by 2
1
by
into
2 into 3 by 4.
4. Okay, for the multiplication time, no need of taking LCM. You can directly multiply numerator and denominator. 1 times 3, 3, and 2 times 4, 8. So 3 by 8. So we can take RHS. There is B into A, that is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. There also we can see 3 by 8. Okay, so here also LHS equal to RHS. That is A into B is same as B into A. This way you should verify. All of you verified the same way?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay. So we can move to the next question. Next one. Multiply 5 by 8 by the reciprocal of negative 3 by 8. Okay, so listen.
Miss Padmalakshmi asked me, can you
Okay.
send the link of the meeting?
Okay, you can give.
Miss, one more time.
Wait. Multiply 5 by 8.
Miss, can you tell the question one more time?
Multiply 5 by 8 by the reciprocal of negative 3 by 8. Multiply 5 by 8 by reciprocal of, not with this number, reciprocal of negative 3 by 8. Multiply 5 by 8 by reciprocal of negative 3 by 8. Okay, do fast. Multiply 5 by 8 by the reciprocal of negative 3 by 8.
Miss, do you want to make it simplest form?
Every time the answer you should write in this form.
Okay, Miss.
Completed now?
Yes, miss. Completed.
Yes, complete.
Karthikeyan, can you say the answer? What's your answer?
Negative 40 by 24.
Negative 40 by 24. That is not in least form. Least form എന്താക്കും? Negative
5 by
40.
8. 5 by 3.
Okay. ഇതിനെ 8 കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ negative 5 by 3. That is the answer. All of you get negative 5 by 3? Yes, negative 5 by 3. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനെ നിങ്ങൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് പകരം you can cancel. Multiply 5 by 8 by reciprocal of negative 3 by 8 means negative 8 by 3 എന്നാകും. ഈ നെഗറ്റീവ് അവിടെ വെക്കണം. 3 by 8ന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുത്താൽ 8 by 3. ഓക്കെ, സോ നെഗറ്റീവ് 8 by 3. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇത് രണ്ടും ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. നിങ്ങൾ എന്തിനാ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പോണത്? These two 8s you cancel. So directly we can see that is negative 5 by 3. Okay, ഇനി ഇങ്ങനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്താലും ഓക്കെ. But if there is any chance of cancelling, you can do it. So next question. Find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Only one rational number.
One more.
Find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. But by looking, we think there is no number in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, but there is infinite number of numbers. Very easily we can find. All of you find it. Sometimes the answer is different. Every answer the same. Sorry.
Miss, how much numbers want to find?
Only one number, one rational number. All of you find it.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് ഈസി മെത്തേഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ യു മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ദിസ് 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 വിത്ത് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ആൻഡ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ വിത്ത് 10 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അപ്പൊ ഇത് 10 by 20 ആകും, ഇത് 10 by 30 ആകും. ഇക്വലന്റ് റാഷണൽസ് ആക്കി മാറ്റണം. Okay, by multiply numerator and denominator with the same number, we can change it as equivalent rational. Then 10 by 20 and 10 by 30. In between, we can see 10 more rationals. ഇതിനകത്തുനിന്ന് ഏതൊരെണ്ണം എഴുതിയാലും മതി. 11 by 20. Sorry. Sorry. But here, first.
I also with you.
No, here is one problem. Here the denominator is not same. അപ്പൊ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? First you change the denominator as same.
LCM.
LCM എടുത്ത് denominator same ആക്കണം. വെറുതെ multiply ചെയ്താൽ പോരാ. 1 by 20, 1 by 30. Then in between, which are the numbers? That's not sure for us. So first you take the LCM of these numbers. What is LCM? 6. Okay, അപ്പം ഈ നമ്പറിനെ നമ്മൾ 3 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ 6 ആവും. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ വിത്ത് 2. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ ഇതെന്താകും? 3 by 6 and
2 by 6.
2 by 6. അപ്പോഴും ഇതിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഇല്ല. Here we can multiply with 10. Then 30 by 60 and 20 by 60. In between, we can see any number, 21 by 60 or 25 by 60 or 29 by 60, any number you can take. Then all of you follow the same method.
No, miss.
Yes,
I
miss.
got 12.
I do it.
2 by 6 and 2 by 6 into 2 by 2 I did.
2 by
Miss, I got 3 by 6 and 2 by 6. Then I multiplied 2 with each number.
3 by 6 and ഇതിനെ 2 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലും മതി. ഒരു നമ്പർ കിട്ടിയാൽ മതി. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ 2 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലും ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ആൻഡ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ വി മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ വിത്ത് 2 അല്ലേ? രണ്ട് നമ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം 6 by 12 and 4 by 12 വരും. ഇൻ ബിറ്റ്വീൻ വി ക്യാൻ സി 5 by 12 is the റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ ഇൻ ബിറ്റ്വീൻ. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ ആകെ ഒരു റാഷണൽ നമ്പറേ ഉള്ളൂ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 5 by 12. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കറക്റ്റ്. ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇതിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്കുള്ള ഏത് റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ എഴുതിയാലും ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ. സോ എനിവേ, first of all, you find the LCM of that number and then change the two rationals as with the same denominator. That is very important. Okay, രണ്ടിന്റെ denominator same ആക്കിയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാവുള്ളൂ. All of you clear the method?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Next question. Write the additive inverse of
5 by 12 ആണോ ആൻസർ?
5 by 12 is correct, or otherwise in between here 21 by 60, 22 by 60, that way any number. I say in this case not only say one answer, different answers are there. What is your answer?
I got 5 by 12.
Your answer is 5 by 12. Then that's okay. Okay, so listen the next question. Write additive inverse of. Write additive inverse of the following. First one, negative 11 by 10. And second one, 123 divided by 200. What is the additive inverse of these two rationals? Write the additive inverse of these two rationals.
Completed, miss.
Additive inverse of these two
Completed.
rationals. Okay. Idal, can you say the answer? That is additive inverse of negative 11 by 10.
Miss, these two rationals.
No answer. Maria Eldos from 8A.
Yes, miss. Minus 11 by 10 is 11 by 10.
Additive inverse of minus 11 by 10 is 11 by 10. Okay. Then what is additive inverse of 123 by 200?
Minus 123 by 200.
Okay, that is correct. Okay, additive inverse എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സൈൻ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണതാണ്. ഇങ്ങനെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കാണുമ്പം ഒരു റാഷണൽ ആയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ തരുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ വിചാരിക്കും റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ്, അറിയാതെ അങ്ങനെ എഴുതി പോകും. റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എഴുതുന്നത് ഇൻ കേസ് ഓഫ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സിന്. ഇൻ കേസ് ഓഫ് additive inverse we are taking the inverse sign. Here is it negative, then we can change it as positive, or positive then negative, that's only. So negative 11 by 10 we can change it as 11 by 10. So additive inverse is 11 by 10 and negative 123 by 200. Did you write the same?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good.
Miss,
Now,
linear equation എടുക്കല്ലേ?
then you wait there, we can do some more questions from here. After that, if there is time now, we have not that much time. Anyway, that's okay. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ചാപ്റ്റർ എങ്കിലും നമുക്ക് ഓക്കെ ആക്കി എന്ന് വെക്കാം. So write the next one. Identify the rational number which is different from other three. Identify the rational numbers which is odd one. അത്രയും നിങ്ങൾ വിചാരിച്ചാൽ മതി. So I will write. Then here I am giving 4 rationals. First one is 2 by 3. Then next one minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Next one is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Here one rational is odd one. That means one is different from others. Which is the different one?
Negative 4 by 5.
Negative 4 by 5.
Negative 4 by 5.
Why?
Miss, others are negative 4 by 5 is
You listen. All are saying the same way. Then how can you clear? Okay, anyone?
Miss, can I?
Hmm.
Miss, that others are positive sign and only negative 4 by 5 has negative sign.
Okay. That way we can say, because all other rationals that are on right side of that right side of the zero of that number line. In number line, that all other rationals that are on right side of zero, only this negative 4 by 5 is on left side, or otherwise we can say that is only negative rational. So negative 4 by 5 is the answer, which is the odd one. That is correct. Okay, next one.
Miss, I am basing that time you call my microphone was not working.
Okay. Now anyway, now you say the answer. Next one. Calculate the following. Calculate the following. First one. Negative. This way. Negative 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7 into 4 by 5 by using any property. Which property is useful here? By applying that property, you find the value of this calculation. Okay, do this calculation. Okay, which property is easy for this calculation, you think? Then in a second, you can find the answer. All of you got it? That means you are not using that property. Property use ചെയ്താൽ in a second.
Distributive property.
Which property? Distributive property. Okay, that is easy for distributive property you can use. Because here, this 3 by 7 is common, you can take. So 3 by 7 into, in bracket, here the balance is minus 4 by 5 and here it is 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Then what is minus 4 by 5 and plus 4 by 5?
0 by 5.
0. That is 0. Okay, 0. You can take it as 0 by 5, that is 0. So 3 by 7 into 0 is
0.
0. So the last answer is 0. Because the same number in positive and negative is given there. So negative 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. Negative 5 and positive 5, 0. The same way, negative 4 by 5 and positive 4 by 5, that is 0. So 0 into any number is 0 itself, because 0 is multiplying with the 0, that is 0. So last answer is 0. All of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, represent negative 2 by 3 on a number line. Okay, ഇനിയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നിങ്ങൾ ഹോംവർക്ക് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതി വെച്ചാൽ മതി. Write the question only. Find that answers as homework.
This question?
Represent negative 2 by 3 on a number line. Represent negative 2 by 3 on a number line. Next one. Next question, you listen and write. If the cost of 4 1/2 liters of milk, 4 1/2 liters of milk is 89 1/2, rupees 89 and a half. Cost of 4.5 liters of milk is rupees 89 and a half. Then find the cost of 1 liter of milk. Find the cost of 1 liter of milk. Cost of 4.5 liters of milk is rupees 89 and a half. Then find the cost of 1 liter of milk. Next one. The product of two rational numbers is 15 by 56. Product of two rational numbers is 15 by 56. One number is minus 5 by 40. Product of two rational numbers is 15 by 56. If one number is minus 5 by 48, find the other number.
Miss, is 15 by 56, then?
One number is negative 5 by 48. Product is 15 by 56 and one number is negative 5 by 48. Then find the other number. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഇത്രയും ചെയ്യുക. There are so many questions. ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കൂടെ. Okay, one more question you write. After that, we can wind up. 1/3 of a 1/3 of a group of people. 1/3 of a group of people are men. 1/3 of a group of people are men. If the number of women is 200, number of women is 200, 200 more than men. 200 എന്നല്ല, 200 more than men. Number of women is 200 more than men. Then find total number of people. Find total number of people. One-third of people are men. One by 3 of people are men. Number of women is 200 more than men. Then find total number of people. Okay. So all of you try to find all these answers. Then in next class, we will revise. Tuesday only.
Tomorrow.
Sorry. Tomorrow. Okay, അപ്പം നമ്മൾ tomorrow ചെയ്യാൻ പോണത്
Linear equation.
Linear equation and also understanding quadrilaterals. Understanding quadrilaterals, from there the MCQs, and from linear equations 2 and 3 mark question. Okay, so 2 and this linear equation, all of you already revised the chapter linear equation, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so all of you revise the next lesson, understanding